Hi, I'm Janet, Try It Like I Create It, and I grabbed this easel at the Dollar Tree. It was $1.25, and it's a tabletop easel, and it has instructions and materials and so forth, but I don't think it comes with any tools to put it together. So I went ahead and grabbed my screwdriver here. So let's unpackage this and see what all comes in here. We've got the tools. This is the instruction sheet. This little teeny tiny thing. So, all right, let's put that where we can see it and get the plastic off of this. And so what comes in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of wood. All right. There we go. You can see it all. 5 pieces of wood. And then these are the tools to put it together with. Well, not really tools, but the parts. And let's just dump those out here and see. Okay, we've got a chain, and we've got broken chain parts. We've got 2 wing nuts, 2 screws, 2 hooks. All right, so it says, interesting. First off, I'm looking at here. I'm not sure. I see the pieces that we need. All right, so so it says, I'll line these up so we can tell what's what. All right. E2 are these. They have the, okay, that one turned outside has angles. All right, so all right, so they're the front of the easel. And then they're going to get 1 piece in front. Okay, so let's see. I think we put the triangles together. All right, I'm just going to guess at this. Let's see, do we have any markings on here? No. We have a piece that I think goes in the front and a piece that I think goes in the back. Like so. And then, all right, we have this piece. All right, I get it. So these go on the sides here. So let's just, let's guesstimate on this, right? I think these go like this. All right, so if that's the case, then, oh, there's a shorter and a longer screw. Okay, great. What does it say? C1 is shorter, and C1 goes at the top. Okay, so I think C1 goes through these pieces like so. All right, and then I'm going to put the wing nut on because I assume that's where it goes. And I'm just going to do it gently. So maybe we don't need tools. Well, I don't know. I think I've got it on the crooked or something. All right, I'm trying. Remember, this is only $1.25. I don't know how much hope we have for it. All right, I can feel that tightening, but not great, right? All right, so that's gonna stand. Okay, so that's our tripod-y thing. And the chain is D1, and it goes from the back to the front. Okay, so this goes on here like so. All right, so let's put this through here. I'm going to tell you, this is pretty darn basic. And what I mean by basic is that the easel itself, not the instructions. All right. So supposedly this is supposed to go like so. And I think what controls that is the chain and the hooks. So we put the hook and chain in like so. All right. So there's no hole for it. So we just go for trying to put it in, I guess. Get that out of the way. I don't know, would you put the nut? Goodness, you know what? I'm gonna need, I have an awl here. I'm gonna go ahead and start a little hole. I also have a drill I could grab if I need it. But I think that might be just enough. And of course, we don't need the chain on here to cause problems at the moment. All right. So we're going to screw the hook in. I don't know if it's even going. Sure doesn't feel like it's fighting me at all. Maybe it's starting to grab, I don't know. Okay, yeah, it's grabbing. And it's getting tight on my fingers. All right, I don't think I'm gonna make it all the way without some tools, but that will work far enough, I think, for the hook. And then let me just see what it says about, or does it say, we've got a wing nut. A times 2, so the wing nut does go in the back. All right, can we put this, let's see, does this fit? But it would be super nice if it fit over this. Okay, does the chain fit over that? No, it doesn't. But maybe this side does. You know what? I can fix that. Hang on. All right, so what I did was I took from my jewelry making, I took an O-ring and put it on there. Because quite honestly, I don't want to have to screw in another one of those hooks if I don't have to, because that was not great. And it wouldn't go right in the center here. So let's see if this actually will work for us. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, so I am going to need my screwdriver to hold this side as I turn this side. Okay, so yeah, it's in there. don't know that I'm going to be able to change that position. Bring this over, put the hook on here so it doesn't move on us. And straighten this out in the front. So, all right. So that, oh goodness, how crooked this is. That is our easel for $1.25. Does it work? Yeah. Was it easy to put together? No. I made it harder. Yeah. But it works. And of course you can adjust it by changing the chain. And you can put, I don't know, what do I have that I can put on here? I have a book or something. All right. I'm just grabbing this photo album. And ta-da! You can put something on front of it. So, that works. $1.25. Would I recommend it? Maybe. Really depends on your skill of putting it together and if you're interested in an inexpensive tabletop easel, which, you know, could come in handy, I suppose. Now, if you're gonna, it's not gonna lay flat, all right? And the back leg, if you move it to the side, it will go to the side of the wing nut. So it will be a little bit more flat. And then you can store this away until you need it, and then pull it out and use it. So I'll probably tighten up the top a little bit here. I don't know if that's, ouch. I don't know if that's even going to help it or not. If I tighten things, I know I'm off camera here, but what I'm doing is tightening this up, and will it still swing out? Yeah, it's a little bit stiffer, but it still works. So, yeah, that worked, but of course I needed a few extra things to make it work, and I have this hook left over because I didn't attach it here. I suppose I could go into the top here, and then I would have it, and I could hang it up. That might be a nice solution and use up that extra hook. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. But overall, let's go on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm going to give this maybe a 7. Let me know what you think, and if you would grade this at a 7 or a little bit less or a little bit more.